Meet Didasou OTC Hearing Aid for clear sound. This hearing aid is designed for easy and comfortable wear. Firstly, identify the left and right hearing aids before wearing. Put the receiver in, place the hearing aid behind your ear, then adjust for a secure, comfortable fit. This hearing aids turn on automatically when you take them out of the charging case. You'll hear 5 beeps. And it turns off automatically when placed back inside. You can also power them on by pressing and holding the volume plus button for 3 seconds. And press and hold the volume button for 6 seconds to power off. To adjust volume, press volume plus once to increase or decrease levels. This hearing aid offers 3 listening modes: quiet, noise, and outdoor, designed for different environments. Press and hold volume plus for 2 seconds to cycle forward. You will hear 1, 2, or 3 beeps. And press volume minus to cycle backward. This device supports both hearing aid and Bluetooth modes. For first-time pairing, turn on Bluetooth, power on the hearing aids, and simply select the device to connect. You'll hear a prompt once connected. For even more control, download the Holink app from the App Store or Google Play. You can easily adjust volume, switch modes, and fine-tune your sound at fingertip. To charge the hearing aids, remove the protective tab before first use. Simply place them into the case and they will start charging automatically. Both the hearing aid and case lights turn on while charging. To charge the case, connect it to a 5 volts power source using the included USB cable. As it charges, each indicator light represents 25% of the battery. When all 4 lights are on, the case is fully charged. We include 3 extra pairs of ear domes in different sizes for a comfortable fit. Gently pinch the receiver and pull to remove the dome. Then choose a suitable one and attach it securely in place. We recommend replacing wax guards every 3 months. First, remove the dome and take out a new wax guard tool. Insert the removal end of the wax guard tool into the receiver, and pull it out to remove the old wax guard. Then insert the new wax guard using the other end of the tool, making sure it's securely in place. Finally, reattach the dome.